Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we have seen the TestNg behavior when the priority value is duplicate. In this video, let's understand the TestNg behavior when the priority value is the negative value. So the very first thing, is it allowed to specify priority in the negative number? If it is allowed, then what would be the behavior when some of the test cases have the priority in the negative number and some of the test cases have the priority in the positive number? So let's see it practically. So let's create a new class. I'll right click on the package, click on new, click on class. I'll provide the class name negative priority demo. Now I'll click on the finish button. So you can notice class has got created. Now let's create some dummy test cases. So I'll go to the priority demo class. So let's copy the test cases from here. I'll go to the negative priority demo class and paste these test cases. So here you can notice there are 4 test cases: test case A, test case C, test case B and test case D. For the test case A, priority is 2, which is a positive number. For the test case C, priority is 4, which is again a positive number. So let's say for the test case B, I specify the priority in a negative number. So here I'll specify -5, right? -5 is the negative number. And let's say for the test case D as well, I'm going to specify priority in a negative number, so I'll specify the minus symbol here, right? So there are 4 test cases in a class. For the first 2 test cases, priority is specified in a positive number. For the last 2 test cases, priority is specified in the negative number. So one thing is clear, TestNg allows to specify the priority in the negative numbers, right? So in case if you specify the priority in the positive and negative numbers and execute your test cases, then TestNg will execute the negative test cases first, which means negative test cases would be executed first, then the positive test cases would be executed. When you execute these test cases, then TestNg will identify the total number of test cases which has the negative priority values. So here TestNg will come to know that these are the 2 test cases which has the negative priority value, right? So for the test case B, priority value is -5, and for the test case D, priority value is -3, right? So first TestNg will execute all the test cases which has the negative priority values. So here test case B would be executed first, then the test case D would be executed. Because in case of the negative number, bigger number test case would be executed first. So here you can notice -5 is bigger than -3, right? So -5 would be executed first, then the -3 would be executed. So first TestNg will execute the test case B, then test case D. Now both the negative test cases have got executed. Then TestNg will move to the positive test cases, where test case A has the priority 2 and test case C has the priority 4. So in that case, test case A has the lower priority value which would be executed first, then test case C would be executed. So let's see it practically. I'll right click in the class, run as TestNg test. Now you can notice all the test cases have got executed. So let's go to this result of running class tab and see the order of execution. So here you can notice test case B is executed first, then the test case D is executed, right? So for the test case B, priority is -5, and for the test case D, priority is -3. So here you can see both the negative test cases have got executed. Then TestNg executed the test cases which have the positive priority values. So here you can notice test case A has the priority 2, test case C has the priority 4. So here 2 is less than 4, hence test case A is executed, then the test case C is executed. To conclude this, when you specify the priority in positive and negative numbers, then TestNg will execute first all the negative priority test cases, then the positive priority test cases would be executed. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.